Hi, it's Jess with bareMinerals, and we are so excited to share with you our new waterproof liquid liner with a flexible precision tip, which makes it easy to create endless looks, from a precise definition to a sharp wing. It's infused with a nourishing complex that helps to fortify lashes with each wear, plus ultra black pigments so that you get rich, bold color and all-day smudge-proof wear in a formula that is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. Plus, it comes in earth-conscious packaging made with post-consumer recycled plastic. I'm going to teach you 3 ways to use it to build the look from bare to bold. Shake well so that the mineral pigments are evenly dispersed. The inkwell packaging was designed to deposit rich, saturated color with each stroke without skipping or tugging. Plus, it keeps the formula from drying out. Let's start with creating a defined line. Hold your brush at an angle and sketch in short strokes. Rest your pinky on your cheek to steady your hand. Start right above the iris and glide outward. And stop where your natural lashes would end. The brush should hug the lash line to help fill in any gaps between the lashes. Use what's left on the brush to connect the line, starting from the inner corner. Now breathe. Starting at this outline makes it easy to go back and smooth out the line. It's easy to build a defined line into a cat or kitten eye. The secret to perfect symmetry is lift, deciding on the placement of the flick. Look straight in the mirror and hold the brush so it follows the angle of your lower lash line. Mark the spot with a tiny dot or dash that extends just past the outer corner of your eye, and do the same on the other side. Once you're happy with the positioning, just connect the flick and build it to its desired thickness. You can continue to build from a cat eye into a more dramatic wing liner look. Continue lengthening the flick past the outer corner, following the same angle as before. Once you've achieved the desired height, glide inwards and connect the liner at its highest point, right above the iris, to create an outline of a wing. Fill in any exposed skin for a rich, bold winged liner. Once you have the shape, it's easy to build and thicken to your desired height. Finish with MAXIMIST Phytofiber Volumizing Mascara to max out your look. Whether it's max bold, max clean, or max conscious you're after, MAXIMIST Liquid Eyeliner checks all the boxes. So go ahead and bare to max out.